Some Brentwood luxury neighborhoods are so private that buyers do not fully understand them until a home comes to market. Anna is one of those places, a gated collection of new custom estates in one of Brentwood's most useful locations. Anna is not Annandale. Annandale is a larger, established Brentwood neighborhood with shared amenities. Anna is a newer, ultra-luxury enclave near Franklin Road and Concord Road with fewer than 24 home sites and a completely different price point. Current homes have been offered mostly around $6 to $7 million, so this neighborhood must be evaluated differently. What makes Anna interesting is the combination. You get a gated setting, new construction, strong architectural standards, private pools, larger custom homes, and quick access to the places Brentwood residents use every day. You're near shopping, I-65, Cool Springs, Franklin, and Nashville. I'm Erika Kurre with the Living in Nashville channel, and I help buyers and sellers in the Middle Tennessee area make informed real estate decisions. Make sure to subscribe, comment, and hit the notification bell so you get notified anytime I post a new video. Anna makes sense for a specific buyer. This is someone who wants a new or nearly new custom home without giving up a central Brentwood location. They may be relocating, building after selling a long-time home, or moving up from a neighborhood that no longer gives them the privacy, the design, or the space they want. They're not shopping by bedroom count alone. 5 bedrooms and a large kitchen are the starting point. They're looking at the builder, the architecture, the finishes, lot placement, outdoor living, and whether the house feels thoughtful instead of simply expensive. Anna was developed by Grove Park and sits on roughly 28 acres behind a gated entrance near Franklin Road and Concord Road. It's right there at the intersection. It's a very limited collection of home sites. The final home count can vary slightly depending on how the development is counted, which is why I describe it as fewer than 24. The lots are generally around 3/4 of an acre, and that's not acreage living, but in central Brentwood, it creates enough room for a substantial home, private pool, outdoor living, landscaping, and separation from neighboring houses. The neighborhood feels like a private estate collection, not a typical subdivision. The design standards were serious from the beginning. Homes were planned at a minimum of about 5,500 square feet with at least 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, 4-car garages, upgraded roof materials, carefully designed entrances, and a pool at each residence. Current homes are often much larger, ranging from about 7,700 to more than 8,700 square feet. Inside, you'll see features buyers expect in Brentwood luxury real estate: main level primary bedroom suites, guest suites, offices, prep kitchens or sculleries, conditioned wine rooms, elevators in some homes, media rooms, covered outdoor spaces, and resort-style pools. But a long feature list does not automatically make it a smart purchase. At $6 or $7 million, I study the details that matter after the new home excitement wears off. How private is the pool at 4 o'clock in the afternoon? Does the kitchen connect naturally to the outdoor living? Is the guest suite truly private? Is the office placed where someone can take a call? Does the home flow well, or did the designer simply make every room enormous and hope for the best? I also look at the builder and construction history. Anna includes homes from respected local luxury builders, and remaining lots may offer different options depending on the property and the current restrictions. Buyers need to review approved plans, architectural requirements, builder agreements, warranties, allowances, and completion timelines before assuming every home or lot offers the same choices. And that's something that I help you with. I'm with you every step of the way in a process like this. Pricing in a neighborhood this small takes more judgment than a simple price per square foot comparison. As of August 2026, several finished or nearly finished homes have been priced from roughly $6 million to $7 million, along with a limited number of remaining home sites. Those numbers will change, but there are not enough sales to treat Anna like a large subdivision with endless comparable properties. One home may deserve more because the architecture is stronger, the landscaping is mature, the pool placement is better, or the finished package is unusually well done. Another may have more square footage, but a weaker floor plan or less privacy. At this price point, it has more space is not a complete valuation strategy. Sometimes it just means you have to have more rooms to furnish. The location is one of Anna's biggest advantages. This neighborhood is less than 3 miles from major shopping and close to I-65. That makes it practical for buyers who spend time in Brentwood, Cool Springs, Franklin, downtown Nashville, and even getting to and from the airport. There is a trade-off to that convenience, though. Franklin Road and Concord Road are major Brentwood corridors, so this is not the same as owning 5 acres at the end of a country road. The gates, trees, landscaping, and lot design create separation, but buyers should still visit at different times and understand traffic patterns before deciding the location feels right. Homes in Anna are currently zoned for Lipscomb Elementary, Brentwood Middle School, and Brentwood High School. School assignments can change and will always be verified by me to help you out through this purchase to make sure you're where you want to be. The school path does matter, but it shouldn't make the entire decision for you. When buyers compare Anna with other luxury neighborhoods, the differences become clearer. Governor's Club offers gated golf and a country club identity. Rosebrooke offers newer luxury homes with a larger neighborhood plan and more shared amenities. Witherspoon has a broader community setting and a more established rhythm. Annandale is larger, established, and known for its common areas and social feel. Anna is more private and concentrated. It suits the buyer who wants a small gated address, newer custom estate, private pool, and central Brentwood access without a clubhouse, golf course, or large social calendar. The home itself is the amenity. That'll be perfect for some buyers and too quiet for others. If you want active sidewalks, a community pool, or extensive shared facilities, Anna may not deliver the lifestyle you pictured. If you want acreage, 3/4 of an acre may not feel like enough. And if your budget ceiling is around $3 or $4 million, other Brentwood neighborhoods will give you more choices. But if you're shopping in the upper end of Brentwood luxury real estate and want new construction, privacy, architectural presence, and a location that keeps daily life manageable, Anna deserves to be compared seriously with Brentwood's other premier gated communities. The key is not simply getting through the gate. It's choosing the right property once you're inside. I compare lot orientation, builder quality, floor plan longevity, outdoor privacy, design choices, construction stage, and likely resale appeal. That's important for me. I don't want you to buy a house that's going to be hard for me to resell. I also look at what else the same money can buy in Rosebrooke, Governor's Club, Witherspoon, Belmead, Forest Hills, and Franklin, because again, that will matter in resale. For sellers, in a neighborhood with very few homes, your competition is not limited to the house next door. A future Anna seller may be competing with new construction across Brentwood and other luxury pockets throughout Middle Tennessee. Pricing, presentation, timing, and the story of the property have to be handled with precision because upper-end buyers have choices. Anna is not for everyone. It's a small, gated Brentwood neighborhood built around privacy, design, and location. For the right buyer, that combination is hard to duplicate. For the wrong buyer, the price, lot size, or lack of shared amenities may make another community a better fit. The smartest luxury purchase is not the home with the longest feature list. It's the one that works on an ordinary Tuesday, protects your long-term options, and still feels special after the first tour is over. That's the part listing photos cannot explain. If you're considering Anna or comparing luxury homes in Brentwood, Franklin, or the Nashville area, fill out the type form linked in the description and schedule a one-on-one Zoom call with me. We'll talk through your priorities, your timing, and which neighborhoods actually fit before you spend every weekend touring homes that were never right for you.